collection. I'm playing some Watch Dogs with my friend here. Jeez, I fell. Shit. I fell. Okay. Let's see what I'm playing some Watch Dogs, so that's where you're on the bike go. What the fuck? Did you see that? My boy. You had to see that. Okay. But that was sick. But let me go to my pictures. I want to show you something. I think it's over. Where is it? It's right here. At my picture. So earlier, last night, I was playing with my friend, and this is his profile, by the way. So he took a picture because I had an Aiden Pierce costume. Well, I had this Aiden Pierce thing, and I had white skin, as you can see, so it fit for me to be Aiden Pierce in Watch Dogs 2. Good. Okay. That's where it was. Shout out. Where's shout out to Aaron, my friend Aaron. He got a Ferrari right there. Shout out to him. There's his type in this if you wanna meet him on Xbox One or Xbox X, whatever you want. And just type in Aaron, all capitals 04. That's his avatar. And pretty much, yeah. There's basically me and my. You can't see it. Like on my screen, you can't see it, but on online people's screen, they could see Aiden Pierce, like white skin. But for me, I could see Marcus's skin. But yeah, if you guys like the video, whatever, but y'all do need this. Let me go fast. You can. If you enjoyed that video, leave a freaking like. Oh yeah, and I also gotta show you this video. Really quick. I made this about 1 day ago, as you can see. I was destroying people on Fortnite Battle Royale. Here's some to end the video with. Well, I'm not gonna end the video yet, but I'm about to end the video like in a few minutes or an hour or so. There's my I got the freaking bars. Ooh, bars. And I found this guy, and he had the silent the assassin SMG. He had that, and I took it. But as soon as I took it, I died. Good thing I was going to the circle. The circle. Right there. I got 2 kills in a minute. And at least I got in like 50 or something, or like 40. I forgot place because I always go in 90 or something else. Basically, so yeah. I wanted to leave really quick. I still got everything on tape. By the way, I'm on Daniel's account, so I made this on Daniel's account. And I've been told Daniel, now this is my account. Okay? So Daniel, deal with it. It's now my account. Because more people like me than you, I've been looking in the comments. You'll see. You'll in the comments. You'll see. Okay, there's the guy right there. You saw that? Goddamn. Where is he? Fucking Genji. You saw that right there? Yeah, right there. That was him. Just got wrecked. And look, right there. Wait, look. Look, where? Where is it? Where is it? Look right there! The Silence SMG! But then someone was shooting me and I didn't have time to shoot them, so they had a good time. I came in 41. Oh no, I accidentally broke my phone again. If I slap it super hard, like the whole entire screen gets white. Okay, that's what was on tape. I have a lot of things, like some Call of Duty videos, but we'll get on that later. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. I'm going to end it off with some Dead Rising. If you like it, leave a like. Make sure to subscribe. And also leave a comment what you think about this video or whatever you want to say. But no hate comments, cause I'm a new person to YouTube. Well, kind of new. But yeah, if you guys like this video, then pretty much I already said it, so I'm not gonna say it again. But if you also like this video, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification buttons for whenever I post a video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye. Wait. What is my Star Trek thing? Wait, let me do it. I can't do it.